Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to update iTunes latest version on Windows 10. Click iTunes. Click Help. Click Check for updates. Click Download iTunes. Install one item. After downloading updates, you can install. Click Help. Click About iTunes. Latest version iTunes is updated. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.